Hey everybody, welcome back to Button Action series in Power BI. And in this video, we'll be discussing about the back action. What the back action do is, for example, if you have got three pages, okay, Raksha, Karan, and Kamal, and what I will do is, when I'm on page three, I should be navigated to page two, and when I'm on page two, I should be navigated to page one. Okay, so back button gives you this functionality. Often people go with this back button, and you can also choose to bring a blank button and give back as its action, or you can also give a different shape for the back, whatever you want. So currently I'm using this, and in Power BI by default, in the actions they have got back as the default type. So when I click on this back button, what it should do is it should take me to the page 2, which is current. So I'll simply click on this. So as you can see, we are on page 2. So I hope this was useful. See you in the next video.